Welcome to Delicious Recipes. Today we're making authentic Spanish seafood paella. We start with fresh shrimp, mussels, squid, clams, colorful vegetables, and fragrant saffron rice. Everything is gently cooked in rich seafood broth, allowing every grain of rice to absorb incredible Mediterranean flavors. As the seafood becomes perfectly tender, the paella develops its beautiful golden color and irresistible aroma. Finally, it's served with fresh lemon wedges for the perfect finishing touch. This iconic Spanish dish is rich, colorful, and full of amazing flavor. Would you try this delicious seafood paella? Follow Delicious Recipes for more incredible recipes from around the world.